Afrifama, we are more having more social impact at the moment even than we are growing. Because I think even the guys we have interacted with, we will actually grow way bigger than us, and we actually that's the model I'm happy about. I feel if you're an entrepreneur and you have something amazing, then share the knowledge with people. Let them grow, let them even be bigger than you, because you never know. Maybe someone like those who visit here on Saturday, they might have bigger capital, they can be able to invest more. And I also hope the kids that I'm coaching, they can even become because now after this, we now need even to think about mechanized production.
Yes.
Like, I have a switch, I work on computerized basis, maybe possibly here, and we're able to get everything back. Let me start from there. That's what I think. But in this one, we do not produce binder. This is what you get. We do not toxin binder. This is what you get.
Oh,
you get, if you don't have toxin binder and some of minerals,
they come.
but if you do toxin binder and everything, you can be able to get at least good feeds like this.
Yeah, it stays.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the new, what are the weevils?
Everything was when we were starting out.
These are
I
weevils.
think now, I wish I had some which I will do maybe next year. Now it's easier now to put some of these next time.
Yeah.
So cottages industry basically starts like this. It's very hard, trust me. But hey, this is what we do.
How much did it cost you guys? Almost half a mil?
Let's not even go there.
You guys are rich.
A lot of money.
You guys are rich.
We are not. We are struggling.
I think the investor is for growing, but without the investor, you guys could go even 10 years.
Very hard. Right now, I'm also in the process to see, but hey, tell your homies how to see. Now you have to bring me 10 subscribers.
Okay, after people, I visited Afrifama.
Exactly. Yeah. They should see the amazing work we are doing. Yeah.
I've never seen black. This is new, and this is, I don't know, something.
Yeah. You know, I really come in here this moment. I like staying in an office.
You should put on a mask. In 5 years and then us in 10 years. It should not be like that. To address the haters. Because somebody can tell you you're not going anywhere and hasn't seen what you're doing.
Yeah. This is a good question. Thank you. I know. That's why for me, I don't believe in nothing is impossible. I know it's hard, but I always believe everything is
possible. I still don't get the physics how maize goes in down here and then comes down, then it goes up. The physics. I think I should have done physics in high school.
Don't worry. Sometimes there are people who have done it. For now, we can do maybe now is different concept.
You don't do tour guides.
Yeah. Saudi on Saturday. Kashindo, you are not here, right? So, do you know on Saturday I had visitors from Kisauni? Yeah, that's why I always like my store to be like.
Yeah, in a clean environment.
We did a tour. They wanted to know about breeding and about production. I think this is a scam.
Yeah, it's
They don't believe. Most Kenyans don't believe until they see it.
Yeah.
So they come to see how does this one work. Now most of them, they actually prospective people who want to maybe invest in poultry, and so you're able to tell them, okay, you need this and this works like this. You're able to show them the processes and boom.